pretty much set up to already make my shrimp tacos. I know most recipes, they have a creamy mixture with their slaw. I'm not doing that. We like Pico de Gallo. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use about, I'd say almost 2 cups of the, it's a coleslaw mix, broccoli coleslaw mix. I'm going to use about, like I said, about 2 cups of that because I really want that nice crunchy element in there. And I've got, maybe about 2 cups of cilantro as well, because we really love cilantro. By the way, in the bowl I already had a good tablespoon of minced garlic. I've got some Roma tomatoes that I've cut up already. Still have a few more left to cut there. Half of a large onion or a whole small onion. This is going to make a lot. This is not just for one meal, because again, in my house, oh my god, this is like a, it's like ketchup. It goes on everything. And then I don't like a whole lot of heat. I do like heat, but not overpoweringly so. So I only have 1 jalapeno pepper. I'm going to use the juice of 1 whole lemon. Great. Let's get some salt and pepper on this and mix it up. Here we go. So my Pico de Gallo with the broccoli slaw is all mixed up. Make sure you taste this as you go along to make sure it doesn't need any more salt and pepper. I've already tasted it and it, to me, tastes, oh my gosh. It's crunchy. It's fantastic. Perfect. I can taste just a little hint of the lemon. I love it. Now let me talk about my shrimp. I'm not lazy, but if you've peeled and deveined shrimp before, you feel my pain, right? Okay, I didn't feel like doing that. So I bought the medium-sized shrimp that's already peeled, already deveined, and it's already fully cooked. But of course I wanted to have my seasoning on it. The only thing about it, it did have the tails left on. And if you've seen any other videos of mine, you know that I love making my own stock. So yeah, in my seafood stock bag, here are the tails, ready to go into the freezer until I'm ready to make a seafood stock. And for the parts of the vegetables that I didn't use, because I de-seeded my tomato, I also de-seeded the jalapeno pepper. And I've got the ends of my onion. That's in my vegetable stock bag, ready to go into the freezer also. I'm going to pop the shrimp into the microwave just to warm them up and to make sure the seasonings I put on there, cook a little bit, because no one likes raw seasonings, right? The only seasonings I actually put on here was some seafood seasoning, some chili pepper, well, I guess you would say taco seasoning, chili pepper, cumin, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, of course, salt and pepper. So let's put this in the microwave to warm this up. And in the meantime, let's make some tortillas. I've got some white tortillas in the pan right now, white corn tortillas. Tiffany likes flour tortillas, so I'll be making hers with the flour tortillas. I like corn tortillas. The great thing about making your own tacos is that you can make them the way you want. Tailor everything to you, of course. Alright, let's make some tacos. My shrimp is warmed. It even has its own little sauce that it made. Just as many shrimp as you want on here. That looks great already. Grab my spoon here. Load that up with my pico with coleslaw. When I was heating up the shrimp, I actually managed to get a little bit of sauce out of that anyway, so I'm going to pour that on top. Get more of that shrimp essence in there. And now, oh my gosh, let's taste. See if I can do this without making a total mess. can't talk. This is so good. It's crunchy. Seafood. The shrimp is just fantastic. I love it. I love the freshness of my pico. I love the crunch from the coleslaw. This is fantastic. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to finish my dinner before I have to do anything else. Before I go, shrimp tacos is my thing to do today. Make it your thing to do too. For written instructions, please visit my blog, mythingstodo.com. While you're here, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can get some more of my juicy recipes. I've got Roma potatoes, potatoes.